I wanted to share with you guys a Japanese garden that I came across in Nagoya, and it's built at an elderly senior facility, a care center. And they've developed these strolling gardens throughout the back courtyard to incorporate all four seasons and uh, particularly pay attention to the walkways because they've made them what they call in Japan barrier free, which means you can have wheelchairs and strollers, and it's a little different from your average garden, but it creates a communal place of warmth. Really, it's something I wish more of our care centers and hospitals spent more money and took more time to design actual a wellness space for the people staying there. It features a somewhat modern take on a Japanese garden as well. There's a beautiful waterfall that has solid cut. Again, that ties in the creativity mixed with a Japanese garden. Here's a pathway that is just beautiful, and they've smoothed it out, although they've incorporated some kind of stain into the cement so that you still have the rustic earth tones, browns and some blacks. It's not rough, it's not odd colors, but it really creates a natural smooth walkway, which is quite different from traditional Japanese garden pathways, which actually are the opposite. It's often choppy, and there's stepping stones and things like that that are designed to slow you down, make you look at your feet, take in the moment. But in a more modern setting, this is a little more realistic for a family, possibly, or for your own backyard, where you may want to incorporate this type of walkway as an entrance to your house or a side entrance to your house. And I understand the practical issues of creating something smoother. What's interesting is they also have a rotemburo, which is an outside hot bath or hot spring. So the people staying there can also soak in the benefiting hot water and take on this mountain scene of different variety of plants and trees. Upstairs and inside, they also have it's open air, so it's probably on the top floor, but it's open for this beautiful, quite modern rock display. From the inside, they have a cafe as well and a lounge area where you can see through the glass. You can look out on the pond, the koi fish there at the bottom of the waterfall. And It really gives you that in closeness with nature no matter what time of year it is. So I hope this modern Japanese garden at a elderly care facility provided a little inspiration for a type of modern garden that you might think about at your own place. Now, obviously, the waterfall's a little on the extreme side, but even still, you can draw some inspiration from it. And let me know down below if there's any health facilities or a type of senior home or center that has incorporated a beautiful Japanese garden or any garden design into their overall landscape design facility layout, because that would be great for people to have a look at and learn from, because those are the type of places that really it's a form of natural healing, and healing through the garden is it's a real thing, and it's something that should be designed and planned and implemented more.